Hi, my name is Wayne Newton. I am the president and CEO of TrueBounce Incorporated in New Bedford, Massachusetts. TrueBounce Inc. is a basketball company that really specializes and focuses on the players. My partner and myself, Eric Brito, tried to create a demand for a backboard that basically no one needed. Who needs a backboard with holes? But because it played so well, my partner being an ex-NBA referee and college 1,000-point scorer, and myself, we got together and finally put a backboard together that would help the players. We based ourselves on doing retrofitting and picking up where other companies pick up on. So if we have an existing condition in a park, we're able to create a kit that would fit the existing pole structures and basically save our customers tens of thousands of dollars and really get them a great product, which is the biggest bang for a buck. We're able to do color schemes for what the parks or recreation departments want. Town colors, school colors, the courts are colorful, the stadiums are colorful, the school gymnasiums. And what we wanted to do was to bring that same feel to the backboard. But make no mistake, we manufacture a great pole system. We do a 6x6 with a 6-foot offset, a 6-inch by 6-inch with a 10-foot offset, and anywhere in between. We make everything here in the United States. We use U.S. steel, we use U.S. aluminum. So we like to be a made in the USA company. We're able to fill all the parks again with players, which is something that's unheard of because they put up these metal backboards and they don't really care about the people that use it. Well, when we put up our backboards, the kids flock to it. Young men, young women, everybody is on those backboards. Help them bring their games up from maybe 6 to 8 points a game to possibly 10 to 12 points a game. And what we wanted to do was to bring more success to more players so they can have their own NBA within their own space. The success you see on TrueBounce backboards is unparalleled anywhere in the industry. It's just been a glass backboard, a part of the building, and we're saying now you have an option. Choose the option. When we first started accepting credit cards, it became very cumbersome. You had many companies coming out, okay, we'll change your fees. And Bay State really gave me a great option and said they're flat across the board. The percentages they gave me were outstanding as far as I'm concerned for quick cash. The services, they were right there when I had questions, when we had, a return or something like that. The answers were right there, readily available, everything was set. So I recommend highly Bay State Merchant Services.
This Merchant Spotlight video is brought to you by Bay State Merchant Services, where we love our merchants and thank them for their entrepreneurial spirit, work ethic, and the boost they give to our local communities.